So this is going to be a quick unboxing on the T-Deck Plus. So we purchased 2 devices in 915 megahertz for USA, 155 USD shipped. So this is the T-Deck Plus. This has an upgraded battery, added GPS module. This is kind of an all-in-one device. It's great that they finally released this so that people have an option that don't want to connect to their cell phones or don't want, they just want a standalone device. This is a standalone device. Looks like there's an option for an external antenna. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and unbox our T-Deck Plus. Okay, so here we go. Broadcast long fast. Okay, interesting. So it looks like we're in the Meshtastic system already, but it looks like, oh, okay, cool. So you can press this this button here. You can press that. Okay, right now it's just saying no sats. Okay, I can scroll. No GPS lock. It looks like I have 2 pages here. I have this long fast channel, and I have this no GPS lock altitude. So it's giving me my GPS coordinates. So I'd love to send a message between these two, and I believe just by pressing this enter key here, that didn't work. Maybe I just type. Okay, yes, I'm broadcasting on long fast channel, and if I hit the hello and enter, it's sending. Okay, and then I could probably click into the long fast channel here. Does that get me in there? I still haven't figured out yet how to use this interface, but I wonder now, like, if this one sends a hello. Delivery failed to unknown. Interesting. Alright, so now I got the Bluetooth up on this tablet here, and I'm going to connect to this device, which is 9F54. There we go. I have to enter the code 450437 here. So now I'm trying to connect it. Here we go. It found both devices. So as soon as I sent that message, it seems like it connected to this. So let me see what options I have here. So there's some old stuff from my old devices. Here we go. Now I can connect to this machine. Radio configuration. User. So I can update the username, for example. Long name, short name. I'm just going to leave these alone for now. Here we go. Here we go. We got our first. There we go. We're set up. So that's all it was. You have to just change your region to US. So quick start guide, LilyGO TDEC. All you have to do is unbox it. It already has Meshtastic installed. Okay, to turn off the notification, you just press enter. There you go. Quick unboxing and then testing. All you have to do is connect to your Bluetooth using a device that has Meshtastic app installed on it, and then select the region. Just hit region, US. You can also go into the device itself, radio configuration, LoRa, and then here where it says region, you would select your appropriate region, which in my case is US. And now these devices can talk to each other. So next steps are going to be to install an extended antenna, and then there we go. We're set up. We're good to go. We didn't have to flash anything. It was already installed with Meshtastic. So there you go. Hope this helps, and good luck with everything, really. Good luck.